Good morning, friends. Myself GC Das, Vestige Double Crown Director, and I welcome you everyone for a golden opportunity. Yes, are you looking for some opportunity where you can change your life? Yes, this opportunity can change your life. Friends, myself, after my graduation, come to Delhi for job. I have done 10 years private job, no success. Then I started part-time network marketing. When I seen that my part-time income is better than full-time, then I started full-time. Now doing this as a Vestige, my highest income is 3,75,000 per month. I have purchased my 2 house, 2 cars, 8 times foreign tour through Vestige. So this is the opportunity. How we can go forward? Here nothing to lose. Just you have to register yourself, and registration is totally free. Just we need your detail, name, date of birth, address, mobile number. If you have email ID, you can provide email ID. Through that you will get registered, and after registration you have to download mobile app, Vestige app. Through this app you can work anywhere in the world. Yes, Vestige is operating 8 countries right now. You can work 8 countries staying at home. Yes, for that, what to do? Yes, we have to know about the company, we have to know about the product and promote it. Just promote its business. Company is manufacturing product, whatever product we use at our home. Healthcare, personal care, beauty care, oral care, agriculture, lots of products, more than 400 products. Company is manufacturing. We just promote it. We don't sell, promotion. For that, after registration, you have to purchase some product for self-use. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 as you wish. If you purchase 1,000 rupees product, you will get 10 to 20% discount. If you purchase 2,000 rupees product monthly for month continuous, there is a scheme. Through that you can get 50%, up to 50% discount. And if you purchase around 3,000 rupees every month for 4 months continuous, you will get more than 60% benefit. Yes, means you can get at 50% rate product. This way you get product, use yourself. If it is okay for you, then use, otherwise you can get money back. 30 days money back guarantee company gives you. Yes, friends, if these products are okay, so that people are using, more than 3 crore people are involved in this company. For the last 17 years, company is operating business in 8 countries, 2,700 crore turnover yearly. Yes, because of this product. Of course, you will also like it. If you like it, just share your 5-10 people whom you know. They may be wherever. You need not to give service. 10 people, they believe in you. They get registered through you. Reference is yours. They are registered and they become your lifetime partner. 10 people, if they like the product, they will also know 10 people. 10 into 10, 100. 100 people is your team, and they, whatever they do, that is your work. 100 into 10, 1,000. 1,000 into 10, 10,000. 10,000 into 10, lakh. You are not managing anybody. Company is managing, system is managing, software is managing your business, but you are getting entire team benefit. Yes, this is the power of the system. So friend, this way you get 10 types of income in Vestige. 10 types. Number 1 is retail profit, 10 to 20%. For example, there is MRP 120 rupees, you will get at 100 rupees. 20 rupees discount instant. Next, performance bonus, 5 to 11%. Friends, company is providing you team work business profit, 5 to 11%. Sorry, 5 to 11%. Suppose if your point is 1 to 599, 1 point is approximately 30 rupees. 1 to 599 PV, you are getting 5% performance bonus. 600 to 2399, your level will be 8%. 2400 to 5499, your level will be 10%. And when you exceed 5,500 PB, your level will be 11% permanently. And you become bronze director. Just you have to make 2001 PB in the current month. And you are eligible for bronze director bonus, means company turnover bonus. 4% of company turnover is shared among bronze directors. So from here you are getting good income. You are getting good income. If you help somebody to get level of bronze director, you become silver director and your income increases many times. Next income becomes your business building bonus, share of 14% profit. Yes. Next is leadership overriding bonus. That is 17% of company profit. And next is team building bonus. Just follow the criteria. You will get 3 extra benefit if you make yourself silver director. Help one person to become bronze director. Yes. Next is friend, travel fund. Yes, travel fund. Through that you can get foreign tour. Till that company has visited 30 countries. I myself visited 8 countries. Malaysia, Australia, Russia, Bangkok, Indonesia, this country. Through this travel fund. Next is friend car fund. When you help 3 people to become bronze director, you become star director and maintain for 3 months continuously, you are eligible for car fund. And through this car fund in this company, more than 6,000 people has got their dream car. Myself purchased 2 cars through this car fund. This is the power of the system. Next is our house fund. Yes, when you help 6 people to become bronze director, you become crown director and maintain for 3 months continuously, you are eligible for house fund. And when you achieve house fund, your income average becomes 1 lakh rupees per month. Friends, 1 lakh rupees per month, normal people cannot even dream. But here, whatever you are today, if you become crown director and achieve house fund, your average income will be 1 lakh plus. Myself, within 3 years, I have achieved 1 lakh plus per month. Next is Elite Club bonus, 10th income. When you promote 8 people under you as a bronze director, you become universal crown director and your 10th income starts, that is called Elite Club, 2% extra. So this way you are eligible for 10 types of income. For that, if you are really interested, please call me. My contact number is 9310208852. And every day I can be available for you face to face through Zoom. My Zoom ID है 839299861 and password is small letter GCDAS, GC Das. Every day 8 PM I am available on Zoom. Yes, and really if you are liking this video, then please like it, share it and subscribe the channel so that I can give you more and more videos. So thank you and wish you wealth.